morning, everybody. It's Monday morning, April 21st. I didn't film anything yesterday. It was Easter Sunday, and we spent it with the kids and our grandson, and he had his first Easter egg hunt. That was so cute. It was a really good day. But anyway, back to work on Monday. So, of course, we have video editing and filming to do today. Also, I did start knitting on a new shirt yesterday. I did the increases incorrectly. So all this has to come out and I have to start all over again. So we're going to do that first and get it over with and rip that Band-Aid off. All right. I'll be back. All right, you guys. So I got caught up on the knitting, fixed the problems I had with the increases. It's a raglan style sweater. Every time I start a new one, I do the increases wrong. But to be fair, this is only my third one. So there's that. Anyway, now I got it fixed. And yeah, the third time's the charm, I guess. And I made it to the point where I wanted to make it, which was to joining the two fronts of the neckline. So now we're working in the round. And got a few other random little bits and bobs done upstairs, including getting things edited and scheduled for YouTube and Patreon, and chores around the house, stuff like that. Just, you know, kind of relaxing and pretty much knitting and listening to Reddit stories all day. To be honest, that's all I did. So anyway, we're gonna go get some steps in because your girl here has gained a few pounds back and we don't want it. We don't want that. So we're gonna go walking. So anyway,
we ate too much for Easter.
That doesn't help. We ate so much for Easter. You would think we had given up carbs and sugar for Lent and then made up for it on Easter. We didn't give up squat for Lent. We just ate too much on Easter.
Too much.
So anyway, I'm going to have a nice green salad when I get back and a cup of bone broth. And yeah. All right. Let's get some steps in first and see what we can see. And yeah, the blackbirds and shit, they're out. Can you hear them? They're everywhere. One of them set off a ring hammer early this morning. All right, I'll be back. Guys, yes, I'm at Joann's again. My store's not closed yet. And by the way, if you're a yarnaholic, they have a crap ton of yarn. At least today. The yarn shelves are full. And when I mean full, I mean full. Although the cashier doesn't seem to understand how to count cashback, so there's that. Anyway, I got a couple magazines. That's something I don't buy unless they're on sale. Because, come on, open. There we go, thank you. Because they're too expensive. And most of the money I just spent was on magazines. Anyway, I did get a few fat quarters and some plastic needles for the knitting and crochet, but that's pretty much it. I have like an hour and a half before I need to head towards the airport, so I have plenty of time. So I'm going to do a little bit more thrifting and then head that way. I do have my knitting bag in the back of the car if I get there early, and I think we're all good. I'll be back. Somebody's having yard work done somewhere. I hear things being cut over that way. I hear things being cut over that way. Hopefully they're in the woods trimming back some of the underbrush because it's bad in there. Anyway, I haven't filmed a lot today, or honestly gotten a lot of creative stuff done today, because I spent the day shopping and thrifting. I found some really great knitting books and magazines I can't wait to share. Anyway, somebody getting some power washing done. It's a good idea. Anyway, what was I saying? Oh yeah, so just getting chores, getting my dad from the airport, running around at the shops, getting steps in, and I haven't been thrifting in quite a while, and I do love it. It's a fun way to get some inspiration. Didn't spend a lot of money, but I did find some cool stuff, including a really nice, basic linen sleeveless dress. It's going to be great for summer. To make one alteration to it, and I'll show it on camera when I do it. But otherwise, it's great. We have some traveling coming up over the summer into some spots that are going to be hot. So it's going to come in very handy. Anyway, I'm going to go sit down and chill now for a bit and maybe actually get some knitting done. Yeah, that'd be good. I'll be back. Today's daily drawing. I just remembered. Grab the glasses. Better go upstairs and get that done. All right, let's get to it, shall we? Hey guys, it is Thursday, April 24th, babysitting day. Little mister is playing with Oma's pens, something he likes to do. We were just outside getting the mail and walking around before nap time. He found the little one next door, and that was very cute. They were holding hands and walking together. Now he's gonna play with turning the light on and off, because that's what he does. Yeah. All right, that's it for the minute. I did get today's daily drawing done already. Hopefully he naps today, but I think we're having more and more days where we're having trouble napping. We're only 2, so anyway, I hope he does nap, and then I'll get some knitting done while he's napping, but we'll see. All right, I'll be back.
Construction season.
You hear that? Yeah.
Always one.
Always. We live in Oregon, land of much water, many bridges, no direct route to anywhere, and constant construction.
Yeah.
Anyway, it is Saturday morning. It's 8:29 a.m. April 26th, I think. And
Something like that.
I don't think I vlogged yesterday. It was a day of errands and family dinner night and planning one of our upcoming vacations. And some things happened with regards to that, good things, that shocked Bob and I and threw us for a loop, and so that I just completely forgot all about all of that. But anyway, this morning we are headed up to my dad's. He lives a couple hours north.
For 1 hour and 22 minutes to exit 88 US 12 West toward Aberdeen, Tenino.
And we're going to help him move some stuff around and do some cleaning and purging He's been kind of constantly doing that since my mom passed away, but he hasn't gone through everything. And once my niece and her wife moved out, there's some stuff that's left that he kind of just like ignored. And so now we need to go help him. So we're going to go do that and probably do some shopping in Washington on the way home because there's some things that are easier to find up there. And the road's a little bumpy. Sorry for the camera being bumpy. Anyway, so we're going to go do that this morning. I'll bring you with us where I can. Traffic's already crazy. Road construction everywhere. And we already saw a giant truck full of hay. It's not something you see on the road every day, at least not around here. So I don't know what kind of weird day it's going to be, but you know, it'll be interesting. All right, I'll be back because enough with the bouncing camera. Hey guys. Yes, it's 9:32 a.m. on Sunday, April 27th. Yes, I forgot to close the vlog last night. It was a long day. I have no excuse. Anyway, we spent the day up at my dad's, most of the day, helping him move some stuff around and do some purging. He's still working on really purging stuff that he doesn't need. He's been working on it since my mom passed away, and now my niece and her wife have moved out, and he's looking to downsize, and so we were helping him with that and doing some cleaning for him and stuff like that. I did knit on my top that I'm working on the way up and on the way back, and I'm at the point on the top. It is a raglan t-shirt pattern, and I'm at the part where it's time to separate the body from the sleeves so I can keep knitting the body in the round and then go back to work on the sleeves. So excited about that. I'll be working on that later today. It's just been another, kind of hectic week. Not that I'm really surprised, but yeah, we did stop at Costco on the way home in Washington because there are some things we can get there that we can't get here, and also some things that are cheaper across the border of that state. So we did that. I did find a couple of plain white t-shirts, a plain white button-up blouse, and a couple pairs of linen pants at Costco that are going to be great for upcoming vacations. And I have some more linen pants coming from Walmart today. I'm waiting to do laundry until they all come. And then I'm going to this week, I got to hem all the pants because your girl's short, so they're going to all be too long. And I also bought a sleeveless linen blend dress at the thrift this last week. That's going to be great for traveling, that I need to do some altering on. So I'm going to be working on all of that this week and filming it if I can. And yeah, it's going to be all good, but that's for next week's vlog. I got creativity in where I can. And the great thing about the knitting or the crochet is I can just grab the bag and take it with me, whether Junior is here and he's napping or we're in the car. It doesn't matter. It's easy to take with me. Also, the little small drawing journal that I work on the daily, that's also very easy to take with you. So whatever you can do, creativity wise, if you want to do it, make time in your schedule. It only needs to be like 5 minutes. If I can do it, you can do it. That's it for this week. If you have questions, comments, or concerns, please do leave them down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Read that video description for relevant links, ways to support the content on this channel, and all of that stuff. Speaking of which, I need to work on the May daily drawing word list for Patreon, because that's a thing. And yeah, that's it for this week. Go out and do something nice for yourself because you deserve it. I'll see you later. Bye, guys.